Today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Open the content you wish to capture. For me, it's settings. Press the power key and volume down at the same time. This captures a screenshot, and when you do it for the first time, a little guide appears. From here, you can capture a scrollable screenshot by tapping the Extend button. You also have Edit, Share, and Tagging options. That's one way to capture a screenshot. Another way is to swipe across the screen with the side of your palm. Screenshots can be found in your photo gallery, either in Pictures or under the Screenshots album. That's how you capture a screenshot on this phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,